Hey, I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Here we are in 2025 and we are heading off to yet another fantastic racetrack. We are here at the one, the only, the amazing Oulton Park, and we are keeping our fingers crossed because tomorrow could be rainy, might not be, but we're setting up the bikes tonight ready to go out. Now obviously you guys are going to be coming out with me as we go out through each and every one of the sessions, so do come with me, enjoy this particular session and I'll tell you a bit more about it. So we're just setting up this evening, the night before the track day that we're going to be out. At the moment it's nice clear sky, let's hope it stays like that for tomorrow. As you can see, there was enough of us that our group basically stole the first garage. So we're in pit number 1 and 2 and this is basically all of us. Bruce sat there doing fantastically and then the boys are in the house. So yeah, we're going to be basically sorting ourselves out. Might just go now for a bit of a track walk, go and have a look around and then back to the hotel, decent night's kip and back here in the morning to come and have a lot of fun. So here we are, it's the morning of the track day. We've gone over and done noise testing. Happy to say passed with flying colours, basically with 100 dBs, so really happy about that. Also we were really worried about what the weather was going to be, and as you can probably see behind me, it looks like we might just get away with it. The floor is a little bit on the wet side, but actually we are looking not too bad today, and if we're very lucky, I think the weather is saying we can get all the way through until 3 o'clock in the afternoon without any more rain. If that works, I'll be over the moon. For the first session, what I'm basically going to do is change the power modes and traction control on Bruce. I'm swapping it down to traction control 3 and putting it in low power. So basically I'm putting this in full on rain mode just to help me through the sighting laps. Also that should be helpful for the engine because we're just doing that last little bit of running in before we're giving it full beans on a dry track. So we should be able to get in out there in just a second. Come with us and enjoy the ride. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.